Guys, this Amazon gadget is breaking the internet. You've probably seen it all over your TikTok feed, in the background of your favorite streamer's setup, or popping up in those must-have gadget lists. The hype is absolutely massive. Everyone is asking, what is this thing and what does it even do? Well, the biggest question of all is it actually worth the hype? Or is it just another flash-in-the-pan viral product that looks cool but offers zero substance? I managed to snag one before they sold out again, and today we're going to do a deep dive. We're talking a full unboxing, a hands-on test of every single feature, and the final unfiltered verdict. I tested it, and honestly the results are pretty insane, so let's get this open and see what the fuss is all about. Alright, here it is. The packaging is surprisingly minimalist and sleek, which is a good sign. It feels premium. Inside the box we have the gadget itself, a braided USB-C cable for power, and a tiny quick start guide. Let's put those aside and get to the main event. Wow, okay. Holding it for the first time, it has a nice heft to it. It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. It's this smooth, matte black cube with what looks like a diffused crystal core. It's cold to the touch, very solid. Let's plug it in and see the magic happen. And there it is. My first impression? Aesthetically, this is a 10 out of 10. It looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's an absolute showstopper for any desk. So what does this glowing cube actually do? The company calls it the Aura Cube, and it's marketed as an all-in-one smart desk companion. Its first and most obvious feature is the dynamic ambient lighting. Using the companion app, you can choose from millions of colors or select from dozens of animated presets. It can even sync with your music, which looks incredible. Watch this. Next up, it has a built-in productivity assistant. It projects a minimalist holographic-style clock onto its surface, along with weather icons, and can even display subtle light pulses for notifications from your phone. Then there's my favorite feature, Zen Mode. With one tap, the cube shifts into these slow, calming light patterns and can play ambient sounds. It's designed to help you focus or de-stress. And finally, the top surface is a key-certified wireless charger. A lamp, a clock, a focus tool, and a charger, all in one. Okay, after using the Aura Cube for a few days, let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the design is undeniably its biggest strength. It's a stunning piece of tech that will elevate any workspace. The lighting effects are mesmerizing, and the music sync feature works flawlessly. It's also incredibly versatile, and the Zen mode is genuinely relaxing. However, it's not perfect. For the cons, the AI assistant is pretty basic. The notification pulses are neat, but don't expect it to read your messages like Alexa. The app, while functional, could also use more deep customization options. And while the matte finish looks great, it is an absolute magnet for fingerprints. Finally, there's the price. The Aura Cube retails for $99 on Amazon. Is it worth $100? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're buying it hoping for a powerful smart home assistant, you'll be disappointed. But if you view it as a premium, designer smart lamp that also happens to tell the time, charge your phone and help you relax, then the price starts to make more sense. You're paying for the aesthetic, the vibe, and the wow factor. So the final verdict, is the viral Aura Cube worth the hype? I'm gonna say yes with a condition. It's for the person who prioritizes desk aesthetics and wants a unique multifunctional conversation piece. It delivers on its promise of being a beautiful, futuristic gadget. The results of my testing are clear. It's not just hype, there's real substance here, but that substance is rooted in design and ambiance, not raw power. It's an insane piece of desk art that's also useful. But what do you guys think? Is this something you'd add to your setup? Let me know in the comments below.